All right, so welcome to the day 7 of 100 days of Python programming challenge. In this one, we'll be creating a simple guessing game. In this one, you're going to be guessing a number from 1 to 100. And then we'll just check whether it's too high, too low, or a perfect one. And then we'll also have the attempts up here. So to check how many attempts did we make, it will help you develop the basis of logics. And as we move forward in the days, like this is day 7, as we move forward and as the days pass on, we'll go more and more hard, and that's where these all simple small logics will start to make sense, right? So stay tuned with everything. So let's just start our coding. So the first thing that we're going to do is import a library, calling it the random. Not calling it the random, it's basically random library. Then we'll create a function as we always do, calling it the guessing game. Once we're done with that, let's just do it quickly. We'll create a basic message up here that what is the program about. So program is about guessing the number. So you basically guess a number from 1 to 100 and then you check that did you guess the correct number or not, right? So basically we're gonna just simply say guess the number from 100 1 to 100. So number to guess, and then we are going to just random dot rand int, and then we're going to say 1 to 100. So it will basically create an entire long list of numbers, and then it will just randomly put on any number inside the variable number to guess. And then we'll use the attempts variable to check how many attempts do we take in order to get a perfect output, in order to get a precise output. Then we'll use the while true, and let's just not use the attempt, and let's just keep it to you. You'll use the variable attempt wherever you want to, and let's see how you use this variable. I surely necessarily believe that you're going to use it perfectly, but let's just see. All right, so attempt is equal plus is equal to 1, so it will basically every single time you enter a guess, every single time you give input as in the guess, as your guess, it will increase one count in the attempt. So it will basically increase the attempt. If you enter 1, then 1 attempt, then you enter 69, 2 attempt, 74, third attempt, and that's how the attempt increases. So if your given number is lower than the attempt, the guess, the actual number, the hidden number, then it will say too low. If it's too higher, then too high, and if it's perfect, then perfect. So you have to figure out how to add attempt up here. It's not too hard, you just have to add the attempt, and if you can, then possibly use the f string. That's gonna be better approach. Once you're done with that, we'll just basically simply say except this print error, and also make sure that you use the break statements on a precise place. I'm keeping certain things up here that I'm not using. If you're coding it by your own self, then do it, but I'm gonna give you like foolproof working code, so it is going to be totally break statement and everything will be included in the code in the description. So let's just run this real quick, but it'll be fun finding out by your own self. So number to guess, I'll say something like 34 too high, then let's just say 23 too low. In between, I guess 30 too high, 25 too low, 28, and that's perfect. All right, so that is it for today. The code is available in the link in the description. You just click on it and you will be redirected to the code. So if you like the video, put on a like. If you dislike the video, put on a dislike. And to keep watching content more like this, make sure to subscribe the channel. And don't forget to share it with more Python enthusiasts like yourself. See you in the next one.